Hey there, in today's video, we're diving into a common networking problem that many of us face when trying to access services hosted on our system through the internet. The issue at hand involves setting up Dynamic DNS, port forwarding on a router, and encountering closed ports even after the configurations. Let's roll up our sleeves and tackle this tricky problem head-on. Now, let's delve into the solution that can help troubleshoot this pesky issue. One crucial step is to run a packet capture using tools like Wireshark or tshark while performing the port check. By using the commands tdump in if0 port 8092 and tshark if0f port 8092, we can observe if the packets are reaching the server and how they are being handled. This analysis will give us insights into whether the packets are being ignored, leading to a potential server firewall issue, or if the server is not running a service on the specified port. In summary, diagnosing networking problems like closed ports requires a comprehensive approach that involves checking packet flow, verifying router settings, and understanding ISP-level configurations. By running packet captures and confirming your router has a public IP address, you can isolate where the issue lies and proceed with appropriate solutions. I hope this video has shed some light on resolving your networking woes. Remember to subscribe for more tech tips, hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any networking jokes you might have. Until next time, stay connected and keep exploring the digital world.